The rise of electric luxury cars represents one of the most transformative shifts in the automotive industry in the 21st century, a movement that has redefined what performance, innovation, and exclusivity mean in the modern era of mobility, and at the forefront of this revolution stands Tesla, a company whose founder, Elon Musk, dared to envision a world where electric vehicles were not just practical and sustainable but thrilling, fast, and desirable, breaking decades of preconceived notions. That electric cars were slow, boring, and limited to small urban commuters, and this vision has fundamentally reshaped consumer expectations, compelling traditional luxury automakers to rethink their strategies and embrace electrification with unprecedented urgency. Tesla's journey began in the early 2000s with the Roadster, a sleek, high-performance sports car that demonstrated electric drivetrains could achieve extraordinary acceleration and range, and from there, the Model S redefined the luxury sedan segment by combining cutting-edge technology, over-the-air software updates, and autonomous driving features with breathtaking design, setting a new benchmark that competitors could not ignore, and in response, established luxury brands such as Porsche, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Lucid Motors began investing heavily in their own electric platforms, introducing vehicles like the Porsche Taycan, Audi e-tron GT, Mercedes EQS, BMW 9, and Lucid Air, each emphasizing not only zero emissions performance but also a synthesis of artistry, craftsmanship, and intelligent systems, blending the heritage of traditional luxury with the demands of the electric era. The transformation has been fueled by advancements in battery technology, particularly lithium-ion energy density improvements, rapid charging infrastructure expansion, and innovative thermal management systems, which together have increased range, reduced charging time, and elevated the overall ownership experience. While automakers also focus on sustainability through ethically sourced materials, lightweight composites, and closed-loop recycling programs, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who expect luxury not only in comfort and speed but also in responsible production and corporate transparency, and the competition in this sector has become fierce, with every manufacturer vying for market share in the high-performance electric niche, pushing boundaries in power output, acceleration, autonomous driving capabilities, infotainment integration, and personalized user experiences, exemplified by Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving systems, which, despite regulatory scrutiny, have set the tone for the integration of artificial intelligence in everyday driving. While startups like Rivian and Fisker bring fresh perspectives with adventure-focused electric SUVs and sedans designed to capture new demographics, and legacy brands like Rolls-Royce and Bentley are exploring fully electric models that maintain the opulence and bespoke customization synonymous with their names, signaling that even the pinnacle of automotive indulgence is not immune to electrification. Beyond the vehicles themselves, the rise of electric luxury cars has catalyzed new business models, from direct-to-consumer online sales and subscription services to innovative charging solutions including home energy storage, solar integration, and ultra-fast public charging networks that make long-distance travel feasible, all of which are redefining the relationship between owners and their cars, emphasizing convenience, connectivity, and a seamless lifestyle experience that transcends traditional notions of transportation, and these developments are mirrored in market trends that show exponential growth in electric vehicle adoption globally, driven by regulatory incentives, emissions targets, and shifting consumer preferences that favor sustainability without compromising performance, as countries across Europe, North America, and Asia commit to phasing out internal combustion engines over the next 2 decades, thereby creating an urgent imperative for manufacturers to innovate or risk obsolescence, and this urgency has fueled collaborations between tech companies, automakers, and energy providers, fostering an ecosystem where software, hardware, and energy converge to create vehicles that are not only faster and more efficient but also smarter, safer, and more adaptive to individual driver needs, leveraging data, machine learning, and predictive analytics to optimize everything from battery life to route planning, while in parallel, design philosophies are evolving, with aerodynamics, minimalism, and futuristic aesthetics dominating the luxury electric space, exemplified by the sleek, flowing lines of the Lucid Air, the aggressive stance of the Tesla Model S Plaid, and the balanced elegance of the Mercedes EQS, signaling a new era where performance, sustainability, and artful engineering coexist in harmony, and the cultural impact of these vehicles cannot be understated, as electric luxury cars have become symbols of innovation, environmental responsibility, and technological sophistication, influencing consumer expectations across all automotive segments and inspiring a wave of early adopters, tech enthusiasts, and environmentally conscious luxury buyers who see these cars not just as modes of transportation but as statements of identity, values, and forward-thinking lifestyle. while simultaneously challenging the industry to continually raise the bar in performance, design, and experience, ultimately setting the stage for a future where electrification is the norm rather than the exception. And as battery chemistries continue to advance, charging networks expand, and autonomous capabilities mature, the electric luxury car market is poised to evolve even further, potentially redefining urban mobility, reshaping automotive supply chains, and influencing global energy consumption patterns, creating an interconnected world where transportation, energy, and technology converge, all while reinforcing the idea that luxury and sustainability are no longer mutually exclusive, and that the race toward electric dominance is as much about vision and innovation as it is about raw speed, comfort, and prestige, ensuring that the legacy of Tesla and its competitors will be remembered not only for their cars but for their profound impact on the trajectory of the entire automotive industry, inspiring new generations of engineers, designers, and entrepreneurs to pursue a world where electric luxury is synonymous with aspiration, excellence, and ingenuity, and where every vehicle on the road represents a step toward a cleaner, smarter, and more exhilarating automotive future.